always wanted to do a gear loadout video, but I keep forgetting every time we go camping. So I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of my gears, the application I use it for, because I have other sets where I'll do tent camping, a freestanding tent, or a tarp tent, or just hammock. So this time I'll be making a freestanding light pack gear loadout. So okay, I have all my gears here. How do you like my setup? Big ass table. It's dirty though, but it will work. Before starting off, my gears aren't that expensive or best of quality, I should say. So most of my gears are from Decathlon and Shopee. Yeah, just a heads up, you could go light camping. I started off with heavy gear, and then little by little I invested with a much more lighter gear. So the more lighter it gets, the more expensive it goes. So yeah, I'll start off with my bag. Okay, so this is my bag. It is a Decathlon 4-class MT500 60-liter bag. So it's ultralight. It has a frame. So this is for like my heavy trekking because it's light. I'll show you the inside of the bag. So basically that, and then you have another pocket down here where you could put, I put my sleeping bag and tent down here. Yeah, so basically it's just that, and it's a good bag, a good durable bag. Hasn't failed me. It's 60 liters, so it's very spacious. I already have stuff in here. So I have my first aid kit. I got headlamp, a bag cover, and then my raincoat. It's actually a poncho cape. Yeah, my bag fits inside just well. So this is my bag. Empty air, 500. So now we're gonna move on to my tent. What I have here is a Naturehike Cloud Up Pro tent. So it's a Cloud Up 2. It's quite tight for 2. It's good for 1 because I did have a Sherpa Light brown trekker tent. It's actually good for 1 person because you could put your bag on the side. You could move around a lot more. But if you have 2 people inside the tent, it's not that spacious. Plus, the cons with a Cloud Up tent, the vestibule is small. So you don't have space to put your bags out. Yeah, that's the only cons I have. It's good against strong wind. It's good against rain, heavy rain. I got the army green. I think it's the army green color. Yeah, it's the same color as this one. So this is my tent. It's ultralight. The weight is 1.6 to 7 kilograms. So it's let's just say 1.7 kilograms. Comes with a tent pole. It's very light. I don't know the material, but it's very light. And then some pegs. I'm gonna show you my sleeping equipment. So I have the brown trekker sleeping pad. This is the large one. It's really handy. The reason why I like it because it has clips. You could roll up and you could clip it, and you have a handle as well. Irregular insulation foam is just fine. I have the Decathlon 4-class sleeping pad for 500 air. It's a really good sleeping pad, 500 grams. It's not self-inflatable. I have to blow into it, but it has one-way valves on it, so it's pretty good. It's very light, inflatable sleeping pad. This is my sleeping bag. It's a mummy type synthetic insulation sleeping bag. Its max temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, 890 grams. It's compact. I know you could get smaller ones, but it's a really good sleeping bag. Just an additional bag. It's waterproof and it's a compression bag. We'll be talking about my clothes. Usually I have a base layer. I usually have a puffer jacket, but this time I don't have one. I have a regular fleece and a windbreaker. That's just the gear I have. They're all thrifted. It doesn't get that cold, but when it does get that cold, I just snuggle in my tent. So I always have one of these. I don't know what you call these, but they're really soft and they're good against the wind, the cold temperature as well. I don't wear these for hiking. I wear these at camp. They're very comfortable. I don't have to like change my outfit all the time. I wear this for like 2 days straight. I have this fleece. This is a mountain hardware fleece. It's good against the cold, really warm, good against dribbles of rain, and it dries really quick. It's a mountain hardware fleece. I did have a puffer jacket, but I left it at my sister's house, so I don't know what you call this, but it's a 4-class trekking pants. Stretchable. It has multiple pockets inside the pockets. Yeah, I think it's a 6-pocket pants. This is what I wear at camp. I actually have a trekking pants. It's the same but different color. So this is my base layer. I usually put this on when it's nighttime under these pants, so I'll wear leggings. Oh, I forgot. I also have an inflatable pillow. It's a 4-class inflatable pillow. This is my top base layer. It's a synthetic fabric, long sleeve. Just to let you guys know, if you guys want high quality gear, you're in the Philippines, go to ukay and you'll find lots, because not that much people actually buy camping gears and stuff. My windbreaker. So I take this along with me all the time. I go to Tapulao. It's really good because it's very windy. The campsite in Tapulao is actually like a ridge, so the wind always goes by your campsite and it gets pretty chilly, you know, when it's windy. So I have this. This is thrifted. I don't know how much I got this. I think I got this for like 150 pesos. It's really good. Yeah. And it's ultralight too. It's not good against the rain, but it's good against the wind. I have my Naturehike camping chair. I always bring a camping chair because I like the essence of just sitting down and vibing with the fire or drinking a hot cup of chocolate drink. I don't drink coffee. This actually weighs 1.2 kilograms, I think. 1.2 kilograms. This one. It's cheap compared to like having a Helinox chair or other high quality chairs or high branded chairs. So Naturehike provides for us. So camping chair, Naturehike folding table. This one's very light. I think this one's like around 300 to 400 grams only. It's really light. That's the width, and then the length, I think it's like same. I think that's the length, and then that's like the width. I might bring this because we're going as a group and it's kind of like overkill if we have too many tables around. So I think I'll be the sacrificial lamb and I'll bring a table. I also have a Naturehike towel. We could take showers there. I don't have a water filter. I do have a water filter, but I don't bring them. I bring them when I go jungle camping because there's like free-flowing water. We call it sea bowl. We could also take a shower there, so I got a towel. It's really light. Yeah. Cooking gear. I think we should go to our cooking gear. 230 grams. So 1 canister of butane. Stand for the butane. So it's more stable. There we go. I have a pocket stove. This is a Coveo pocket stove. This one's ultra light. I used to have stoves that are very bulky. This one's just that. It's really light. So that's a stove. It comes with an igniter. My cooking set. This does have a kettle, but I don't think. Oh, it's here. So it comes with a kettle. I don't know if I'm gonna bring this kettle because I have a cup. I don't think I have my cup here, my titanium cup. I could just pop it on the stove and I could boil water. This I think would be overkill. I wouldn't be needing this. I have a pot, comes with a lid, and I have a pan. So that's where I cook. Haha. My lunchbox. It's where I eat. So it comes with a chopping board. And this is where I eat. My camping knife. It's for cooking. It's cool, huh? I should like put it on my belt or something. Or fucking put it on my necklace. Windscreen for cooking because it's really windy. And it's ultralight, and put this right there, and I could go cooking. Haha, how cool is that? I have here my brown trekker tarp. It's rainy season, so we'll be setting up a tarp, like a common area for us friends. My brown trekker tarp, rain tarp. It's a decent size. It's very light. It's bulky because I didn't pack it up that well. I should repack it. I also have a duty shovel. It's really light. When I take a shit, that's what I use. Food. I'm not gonna show you all the food. I packed up some, but I'll be showing you some lightweight foods I take. Maybe you guys could get ideas of what food I bring. I normally put food in dry packs. I have potatoes. So you just add hot water and boom, you have mashed potatoes. I've got some beef sticks for protein and energy. It's really handy. I got some cup tomato soup. You just add hot water, wait for a couple of minutes, trail mix. So nuts, they're good snacks, trail snacks. They're good for camp snacks as well. Some burrito wraps. I've already made some chicken and taco seasoning. I've already made some chicken. It's seasoned with taco seasoning. I'll have it frozen by the time we reach camp. It takes us 9 hours to get there from jump off. So by the time we get there, it's thawed out already. And I've got to go with that. I have cheese. So just put it on the pan, let it melt, pull it up into a burrito, and we're good to go. Rice packets. They're instant rice meals, 2 different flavors. It's really light, they're handy. Oats and some cereal, and I'll just add powdered milk and we'll have breakfast already. Chili bean packets. We might have this for lunch and for snacks. Mac and cheese and some condiments. I have Parmesan and herbs and spices. High energy bars. Yeah. I'll have more. These are my lightweight meal. If it's just me, this is good enough. This will survive. I'll have canned beef and sardines as well, and rice. I don't have rice now, but I usually bring maybe half a kilo or a kilo of rice. Yeah, and this is my camp setup. I have dry bags, and that's basically it.